Hello and welcome to ClickSafe. Now today we have another website, that is Fendove.com, and as you can see the website, it has some gardening tools and flower pots options. As we can scroll down to the website, we can see there are two categories. One is gardening tools and another one is flower pots. Some products are there, some recommended products like gardening tools and some flower pots and some ceramic flower pot or something. So there are some more products we can see here, and first of all let's check how old the website is. If we go to the who's information, here we can see Fendove.com. The website was registered on September 2025, that means almost 11 months. So it's not so old website, means the website is very young, the new, and the main thing is it is based on, here we can see the country is C, and that means China. So the website is China based, and that is one of the greatest red flag we all know. And let's see, if we check some product here, we have some who's a small gardening toolkit, metal 5 teeth digger, and OPF handle garden tool. Okay, so we can see some images are shown here. Okay, images are good, it's satisfying. Here they have some options like big handle type, whichever type the customer wants, and quantity we can select here. Product description is good, a lot of things they have explained, though there is no reviews or nothing, no product reviews, nothing to show. And if we go to the buy now option, there are some, okay, let me see here, payment options are like PayPal, credit card, and some other options are there. That means they have many payment options. And let's see what other things. Okay, if we go to the about us section, here we have about us is welcome to, okay, they have a long about us section, and many things are explained there. Some contact information is also there. Let's check the contact information. They have a general email address. Phone number is not a legit one, that is some random numbers are shown there like 09001800 nothing. And the contact address is of, here we can see Wuhan, China. That means the website is totally based on China. We have already seen that as that in that who is information. If we go and check return information, return and refund policy, and here we can see condition excluded, 40-day return without reason. Whenever you are like shopping or buying anything from this website, always read the full return policy, and if there is shipping policy, if it is there, I don't think it's there. No, one more window is there like refund, you can also check it fully. And payment options are there, we have already seen the payment options. And return and refund policies, contact us. I don't know, I'm feeling very doubtful about this website, and if you too are also doubtful, and if you have any experience about this website, if you have bought anything from here, or if you are willing to buy anything, or have some doubts, have some questions, do you have anything, you can also write down in comment sections. Thank you for watching.